Hey, it's a beautiful day in Missouri. Just check this out. Middle of September. We're on Route 66. Out here is Pear Springs at the Gay Parita Sinclair station. Forget the bypass, but head out to the main Route 66 road right here. This is called 2062. And this here is Route 66 from 1926 as it heads into the town of Spencer, Missouri. On the other side of that beautiful truss bridge. The story of Spencer, well, it starts out in the middle 1800s with the construction of the Johnson Mill right along Johnson Creek, which is right over here. And then years later, a store was built by a man named Spencer at the side of the old mill. In 1868, the post office opened. In 1925, a man named Casey built what's called the Village on the other side of the creek. We'll take a look at that. But look at this road here. This is our original Route 66 road. Yeah, my goodness. Just as it comes up to the bridge here, all this asphalt, of course, is new. It's on top of our little concrete Route 66. So anyway, that's when 1926 Route 66 came through. This is called the Johnson Creek Bridge. It's a 5-panel Pratt through truss bridge. Just gorgeous. We got a car coming over right now. See, it's pretty narrow. Doesn't really fit the conditions of today's roads and bridges. This bridge was built in 1923, so it predates Route 66. But it is the original road, and the Route 66 comes by a couple years later. And this is Johnson Creek. Really quiet. It's a 5-truss bridge. Look at that. It's 100 years old. Holy smokes. And they haven't decided to replace this one yet, like a couple of the other iconic bridges we have on Route 66. So up here again we meet our little Route 66 here. It's the original road. It's got this narrow width. No widening, no paving. This is as is. It's one of the rare areas where we have the original Route 66 road. In fact, you don't even have that curbing that they started installing in 1931. Look at our bridge here from behind. Look at that, just absolutely gorgeous. So I'll walk up here to the little Spencer store. I'll show you what we got here. This thing's called the Village. And the Village was created in 1925. It's when it got its name from the guy named Casey, who built this on the other side of the creek, more or less at the side of the mill. Anyway, so this whole area consists of a store, barber shop, an old filling station, and a garage. And the owner bought the property for $400 before Route 66 came by, with anticipation to make some money in his business. I'm sure he made a killing. This building here is called the Spencer Garage and Service Station. It's the largest building in the village. This originally was a Tidal service station. Later it sold Phillips 66. Today it's just a nicely restored vintage 66 station with that classic orange Phillips 66 sign up top. Built with the local sandstone rubble. You see there, it's got 3 rooms, stone face siding from our little Ozark local stones. It's got that beautiful rounded parapet, conceals the rounded garage roof. Anyway, originally had a single door, and later double doors on the garage here. Make it a little bit bigger. Look at those pumps. Phillips 66. Fantastic. My gosh. So this here's a cafe and a barber shop right here. So originally it was the filling station's office. Expanded out. Now we have a cafe here. selling fresh, wholesome bread, cigarettes and cigars. I think it's all locked up right now. Yeah, but see that inside? Really, really cute. Just gorgeous little shop. Wow. So the original cabling exposed there to hold that concrete in. Our cafe, and here we got the barber shop right here. It's built about 1930, so a little bit after the gas station. The main entrance here is flanked by 2 windows on either side and stucco walls instead of our little local sandstone. This whole building here served as the cafe and the barber shop. This here is a newer building called Spencer Feed and Seed. Anyway, nice brick building here. In the back we have some little homes back here. Alright, and that's pretty cool. What else we have here in Spencer? So anyway, this guy here, or Spencer's Feed and Seed, that was built around 1930 as well. Almost the same time as the barber shop. Got the red bricks, rectangular plan, and the flat roof. Served as a grocery store and a feed and seed. This store is built to replace an older store that used to be here in the 1910s. Anyway, back here we got that gabled roof house. That was the owner's home. This is gorgeous. Anyway, it's a little town of Spencer called the Village, and that beautiful, beautiful bridge. I hope they never tear that down. That's just gorgeous. So we're gonna head west this way to our next town of Heatonville on Route 66. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye.